Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to use arrows. So guys, if mouse is not working, so you can use your laptop or desktop using this arrow. So you can move your cursor using these arrows, and also this will help you to scroll down. So this is the down arrow, this is the up arrow, right and left. So just without shift you press these arrows, and to move you can use the tab. So tab and arrows will helpful to scroll something in your Windows system. You can scroll easily with mouse, and if mouse is not working, so these arrows is useful. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.